Hi everyone, this is Amit Jaswani from Stalin Asset. Every day I get a question, when will the stock market crash? The guys who are long, they don't want the stock market to crash. They want the 2003 to 2007 kind of rally where market went up 7 times. The guys who are short, they want the markets to correct 60-65% again. The people who are waiting to get into the market. So the biggest question everyone is asking me today कि भाई ये मार्केट गिरेगा कब? ये तो चढ़ तो गया है, गिरेगा कब? हम पैसा लगाए या ना लगाए? Today I'm going to tell you what exactly we think about stock market going forward. Peter Lynch once said, more money has been lost in predicting corrections than in corrections themselves. ये बहुत ही important point है. It shows that try to catch stocks rather than predicting the next correction. But today आज थोड़ा मैं insights देने वाला हूँ कि यार पहले जो दो क्रैश हुए, the two big crashes are the crash which happened in 1992 जो हर्षद मेहता क्रैश था, and everyone who was in the stock market lost a lot of money. The second crash was in 2008, a very major crash, and that again has become an anchor point for many people. We'll understand why did the previous two crashes happen and then बताते हैं आगे क्या होगा. The main thing is boss, what will happen going forward. So 2008 it's an anchor point for most people. ये 2008 में the Nifty cracked from 6,300 to 2,500. That was a 65% fall. But why did this correction actually happen? मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. If you see between 2003 to 2007, flat 4 years, the market went up 7.5 times. 7.5 times. The amount of wealth that was created was insane, and that is why the crash of that magnitude happened. अब बात करते हैं 1992 क्रैश की, हर्षद मेहता टाइम की. Now people will not believe this, but this is Sensex data. Nifty was not even there that time. Nifty 1994 में चालू हुआ है. जो हर्षद मेहता का क्रैश था उसके 4 साल पहले जो रैली थी, the Sensex went from 390 to 4,500. That's 11.5 times gain in Sensex. आप सोचिए स्टॉक्स में कितना पैसा बना रहेगा जब Sensex 11.5 times बढ़ा है. Broadly, when that happened, when the markets went up 11.5 times in a 4-year period, and after that the market crashed 60% again. So broadly, जब ये बहुत 3-4 साल में मार्केट बढ़ता है तब जाके एक बहुत बड़ा क्रैश आता है, and that is what history suggests us. Now, अब आगे क्या होगा बॉस? आगे क्या होगा? That is the biggest question that everyone wants to know. Now, this bull market is not as sharp as the bull market in 1992 or the bull market from 1998 or to 1992 or the bull market from 2003 to 2007. अगर आप देखिए इतनी शार्प और फास्ट बुल मार्केट नहीं है, स्लो चल रहा है. द निफ्टी का जो बुल मार्केट चालू हुआ है और सेंसेक्स 15,000 के लेवल से बुल मार्केट चालू किया है 2012 में. आज सेंसेक्स इज समवेयर अराउंड 32,000. ब्रॉडली वी आर सिटिंग ऑन 1.1 टाइम गेन. मार्केट जब बुल मार्केट चालू होता है ये एक गुना पे तो कभी नहीं रुकता है. नॉर्मली हिस्टोरिकली तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है. वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अ 7-8x rise over the next 3-4 years, but this is not where the big crash is going to happen, only after a 1x move. If you see the returns that Nifty, अभी 2007 में निफ्टी 6,300 था, आज निफ्टी 9,800 के लेवल के करीब है. तो मोटा मोटी देखिए तो 10 साल में 50% ही बढ़ा है. कोई ब्याज दर से भी कम निफ्टी ने रिटर्न दिया है, कोई बहुत तूफानी रिटर्न नहीं दिया है निफ्टी ने, and Sensex ने भी obviously same return दिया है. Now a lot of people are asking us that will the crash happen? The crash is not going to happen in a 1x gain. We at Stalin don't even believe that 9,100 will be broken. We have entered a very large bull phase, and this rally will keep going on for a long time. So thank you everyone. This is our first video on YouTube, and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. I hope I can share a lot of good data with you. Thank you so much.